Oh, Switch is mesmerizing. Wow. I think what's special about watching a concert is really about the special experience it gives you. Parang para sa akin, if you watch a concert at puros lang siya kanta, setlist, and wala siyang storya, wala siyang um, experience, or it won't take you to a place na will make you feel things like happiness man yan o sadness. I think yun yung ano sa akin, special about watching a concert is to really take you to a place na parang magical. Why do I go to concerts? Number one, syempre, I should be supporting the artist I'm gonna be watching. So, kung hindi man, syempre, parang what's the point, diba? Di ko naman siya kilala. Second, I go to a concert because I know that I deserve na mag-enjoy sa concert na yan. And I know that if I go to that concert and watch that artist to performing, sasaya ako. At being in that place na yung artist na sinusuportahan mo ay pinapalakpakan, it also gives me happiness. Parang I am part of that success also. Switch is actually about my recent, I call it a big switch in my showbiz career. Mostly people know me na nagpa-perform on TV and from The Clash. You see me every Sunday sa All Out Sundays. And I sing mostly whatever, pop, rock, ballad, whatever's uso, I sing that. Because yun yung ano sa akin, assigned na kinakanta. But last year, I made my big switch. I was a part of Ang Huling El Bimbo the Musical, and that was my first musical theater. And it was a big switch for me because wala nga akong background about theater. It was a new world para sa akin. And that big switch was actually the best decision I've made in my life because I've met people na talagang napakahuhusay, and I've learned a lot from them, and I found a family. I was home. I felt at home when I was in the theater. I'm gonna show that I can always do both, switch back to mainstream, switch back to theater, which yun nga, gagawin ko na noon ulit this 2024 sa bago kong musical. People who will watch my concerts which will expect the two worlds that I love, which is what I do in the mainstream, pop, rock, ballads, and also they should be expecting Broadway musical songs that are now my part of the favorites ni Anthony Rosaldo. It's a taste ng natutunan ko. Kasama din sa lineup ang local musicals na talagang nasabi kong nag-influence talaga sa akin. Hindi naman agad Broadway. So, I will be showcasing actually two that are close to my heart and the reason why I did theater. Special tong Switch concert dahil I am really hands-on sa lahat ng aspects ng concert. Putting together the songs, the arrangement, the medley, the mashups, lahat yan, part yan ng research ko. Nag-download ako from YouTube for reference. Spinlice ko yung mga gusto kong i-medley, i-mashup. Yung arrangement, talagang I communicated with my musical director once in a while to just really know kung gusto ko yung mangyayari sa takbo ng mga arrangement. And the storytelling itself, it's very personal. If you come to my concert, mas makikilala mo pa ako, and sana because of this concert, mas isupport mo pa ako because I'm opening up myself to people, and I think I'll be very vulnerable sa concert na to. Naantig ako nung part na binubuo tong Switch concert. when we came up to this idea na i-guest itong special na person sa buhay ko. This person was one of the big help that I had last year when I did theater, because dahil ako isang baguhan at kailangan ko talaga ng tutulong sa akin. This person ay masasabi kong tinitingala, kinikilala, rinirespeto, and hindi ko ma-imagine at di ko inakala talaga na magiging close kami. At nung inisip ko yung kanta at inaaral ko na ako pa lang, dahil di pa kami this time di pa kami nakapag-rehearse together, naiyak na ako agad kasi sobrang message nung song. It's about changing someone's life to be better. Habang pinapakinggan ko pa lang, umiyak ako parang twice ata. Just parang internalizing the song. May deeper meaning sa akin itong concert na to. I want people to feel na kung ano si Anthony Rosaldo ngayon is a product of hard work. Hindi to sumuko sa lahat ng challenges sa life niya. Looking back, like ito naalala ko 5 years ago, parang I was just thinking about things na pwede kong magawa in the future. Magiging sino ba ako? Tatagal ba ako sa industriya? And then came pandemic na lahat question mark sa buhay ng tao. So parang ako, pag nanood sila ng concert, gusto ko maramdaman nila na if you work hard and you believe in yourself, put out sa universe kung ano talaga yung gusto mo with good intentions, you will be successful and you will touch lives. And I want to be that person who will touch the lives of those who are still dreaming and maraming questions sa heart nila. Because I always tell people na if kahit hindi mo maabot yung mismong dream mo, at least you are closer to that dream and you are a winner because of that. So I want them to feel that.